All right, big statement has come from the RSS leader, and I quote him here: "We cannot close doors for those who ate beef under compulsion." The statement by senior RSS leader Dattatreya Hosbale while quoting MS Golwalkar. RSS's Dattatreya Hosbale has said that all people living in India are Hindus because their ancestors were Hindus. Their worship method may be different today, but they all have the same DNA. And this is what he's added: more than 600 tribes in India used to say that we are different, we are not Hindus. Anti-India forces had done the work of provoking them. On this, Golwalkarji had said that he's a Hindu. The doors are not closed for them as we work on the concept of Vasudev Kutumbakam. Even if someone has eaten beef under compulsion, they cannot close the door if they leave for some reason. Even today, he can return home. That option is always open. Let's listen in to what RSS leader Dattatreya Hosbale has said.
जो स्वयं को हिंदू मानता है वो हिंदू है, और तीसरा भी एक है, हम जिनको हिंदू कहते हैं वो हिंदू है। भारत में कितने जनजातियां हैं? 600 से अधिक। दक्षिण में, उत्तर में, पूर्वांचल में, मध्य भारत में। वहां के जनजाति तथा हम अलग अलग हैं, हम हिंदू नहीं है। कई जगह पर उनको आप हिंदू नहीं है ऐसे कहने का, उकसाने का कार्य लोगों ने किया, भारत विरोधी ताकतों ने। लेकिन वो हिंदू हैं, और यदि वो मतांतरित हुए हैं उनको वापस ला सकते हैं। ये गुरुजी ने एक हिंदू समाज के धार्मिक नेतृत्व को, शंकराचार्यों को समझाया। ठीक है, वो गोमांस खाए होंगे मजबूरी से, लेकिन किसी कारण से वो गए तो दरवाजा नहीं बंद कर सकते, इसलिए वो घर के अंदर आ सकते, घर वापसी उनको करवा सकते हैं।
Joining me now is my colleague Jay Kishan for the latest on that. Jay Kishan, there have been lately a lot of these statements coming in from the RSS. What exactly was said? Can you give us more details?
Pooja, Dattatreya Hosbale was addressing a lecture on Deen Dayal Upadhyay. The subject was RSS Aaj, Kal aur Aaj. He made a big statement because RSS has been constantly active in Rajasthan since last few days. He said that, and I quote him, that there were more than 600 tribes who used to say that we are not Hindus. Anti-Hindu forces used to provoke them, but our doors are open for them. उनकी घर वापसी हो सकती है. So he was giving a lecture on Hinduism, and he said that Golwalkar reiterated that those who are Hindus are Hindus. We will not fall into the category of who Hindus are not. Anybody who has their roots in India, who have their roots in Hindustan, are Hindus. Big thing is that on 26th January, Mohan Bhagwat was here, and then yesterday, Dattatreya Hosbale was here. Elections are just 8 months away, so the certain political experts are looking that the RSS and BJP is trying to woo the Hindu voters. They want to capitalize on the Hindu vote bank in Rajasthan too. They have learnt a lesson from their last defeat in Rajasthan in 2018.
And even it appears with regard to the tribal belt too, Jay Kishan, very interesting what you're telling us, that these statements clearly, is there a larger messaging to it that's being made by the RSS lately? Jay Kishan with the latest coming in from Rajasthan.